Hey guys, Cam here from Pocket-lint, and in the robot vacuum market there's one brand that really punches above its weight in terms of value for money. Roborock. Buying one of the company's models is going to give you great cleaning, easy to use experience, and it doesn't cost the earth. But there are still some things to consider and a few different choices to mull over. So we've got both the S6 and S4 in to show what the difference is between them, to help you decide what you need and what you don't, and see if one fits you better than the other. So the big difference between them obviously is the price. The S4 retails at about $399 while the S6 is $649. For that extra money you get a vacuum cleaner that seems quieter and easier on the ear as it's going around doing its business. The S6 also has a detachable mop module, and that can lightly clean the surface of any hard floors. With the S4 you get vacuuming only, there's no mopping function. Then again, if you don't see yourself needing that function, that's okay. For instance, if you mostly have carpeted floors, then the mopping isn't something that'll work for you. Both use very similar cleaning and sensing methods. They have that precision laser navigation system spinning around at the top of the unit to help recognize obstacles, walls and doorways. And that means both can create and save maps, allowing them to remember where they've been and giving you the ability to tell them to go to a specific spot and then do a spot clean. But one of the big differences here is that the S6 can also automatically recognize and divide up rooms in the house. Once it's gone and made its first round and returned to the dock, it divides rooms up in a map, color codes them and allows you to merge and edit boundaries where perhaps it's mistaken one room for two, or put the dividing line in the wrong place. Now once that's done, you can set timers and schedule the vacuum to go clean a specific room at a specific time. The S6 also has greater climbing capabilities. It can clear anything up to 2 centimeters tall, so if you have fairly chunky threshold door bars or thicker carpets, you may find the S6 does a better job of tackling those. Both vacuums have powerful suction and versatile cleaning brushes for picking up dust and dirt, and both have filters that are easy to remove and clean. Now what's really interesting about the S4 is that it has a more powerful drivetrain for reversing, so that means it's actually better than the S6 at getting out of tight spots. So if it gets itself all confused and stuck between chair legs for instance, it'll get out easier because its reverse function has more power than the S6 can manage. So it may just be the one to get if you have quite a lot of small furniture. Now other differences are quite minimal. The S4's charging connectors are right on the front of the vacuum rather than be small precise ones on the bottom like the S6, but it does have an attractive translucent panel on the top, giving it a lovely stylish appearance, especially in black. Now one other thing you get on the S6 is a spot clean button. Pick up the vacuum, put it down, press it, and it'll clean a small square space of the floor. It's really quite useful, especially under the dining table after dinner. So there you have it. If you want all the bells and whistles, mopping and nicer sounding vacuum, the S6 is the one for you. If you'd rather save money and mopping isn't as important, and you can cope with that noise, the S4 will do you just fine. I've been Cam, and I'll see you again soon.